What's up guys, I'm Trains here at Colthorpe Level Crossing. There you go. Me. And we're going down. Also here with Owen. I think he's gone for a bacon roll. There's your mum. Okay, time is now 12:42 on Saturday the 28th of October 2017. Crossing is down for, I believe it's the about 12:44, 1 hour for 80, Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. And I'll go across this side because it's coming from the other way. There's the other light, slightly damaged. Don't know what that is. I don't know if they kicked something up from down here. Used to be a bridge there, but now there's not. I think we did see the remains of it when we were back here in April, but I think now it's been teared down. There's a car. Here we've got fast HST, 1 hour for 80. Should be slamming it past here. And there's an Arctic lorry coming now. Might do some Midgham on the way back, catch the closure at Thatcham as well. See the lights up there. Alright, she's coming. And 43024 to London Paddington. And just then we're going. Right, up we go. Let's go to the next video. Yep. So guys, I'm Trains here. Here we are at Colthorpe Level Crossing in Berkshire. Okay, time is now 12:45 on Saturday the 28th of October 2017. Crossing is down for the 1 Charlie 81 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Penzance. We just had the up Penzance Paddington. See there. Lock is broken. Do not lock. Yeah. Remember Owen saying yesterday about that HST that has that middle GWR one, and I think that was the one that we saw in the last video. Barrier light. Might stop at Bramley on the way home, depending if I get a Voyager or a Turbo. If we get Voyager, I'm just going to get straight base instead of go home. Depends really what's first there. Then again, I do have to get home for an event tonight, so as soon as I probably leave here, I'll go straight home. Down for about 2 minutes now. Oh, here we go. And 172, and 172 is Harry Patch. And up they go. Let's go to the next video.